welcome back to my YouTube channel. Girl, I know it's been long. I know it's been long since I uploaded a video, but I'm back right now. I was busy with something, but I'm back right now. So the videos are going to be dropping every week. And thank you so much to my current subscribers, guys. I got new subscribers. Thank you so much for watching my video on me trying the Cerave acne foaming cleanser. Like, I didn't know that video was going to blow up the way it did. And if you haven't watched that video, I'm going to link it in the description box. Please go check that video out. And thank you guys so much for commenting on my videos, for your love, for liking my videos. Like, I got new subscribers. I couldn't even believe it. And I got also a subscriber that sent me a message. She said something that was really, really touched me. She was like, just keep being yourself and you will get subscribers. Thank you so much, Danny. I am so grateful. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for also stopping by to watch my video. So in today's video, I'm going to be comparing the roche double repair facial moisturizer with the CeraVe facial moisturizer lotion. As you can see, the boss, I've been using this for quite some time now. I just picked this one yesterday from Walmart, and it was around, they are around around $20 each, because this one was around $19.97 and this one was around $19.99. So they are the same price. So let's dive into it. For this one, I've been using it because before I was using the CeraVe moisturizer, the normal CeraVe moisturizer, not like this one, the other type. And I found out that that one was like a bit drying to my skin. Like, it doesn't really keep my my face moisturized. So I started using this one about 2 to 3 months ago, and I've been loving it. And it also has like the one with SPF 30, but I prefer this one without the SPF. And this one has SPF 32. So I've been hearing good things about this one, so I decided to pick this one up today. So I'm going to try this one on my face to really see the difference between them, and this one on this side of my face. And the good thing, the thing these both have in common is that this one also has the 3 ceramide plus niacinamide. Like CeraVe, we already know CeraVe has all their products has like the 3 essential ceramide, 3 essential ceramide, niacinamide, and hyaluronic acid. Why this one also has the 3 essential ceramide plus niacinamide, and this one also has the prebiotic tamar water, and it's very good for oily skin. Like, even if you have dry skin, it's also good for you. It will keep your face moisturized. So I'm going to be trying both, to see how that it works. But like, the advantage this one has over this is like, this one has SPF 30, why this one doesn't have SPF. And like I said before, you can also pick this one up. It has like 2 kinds, the one with SPF 30 and the one without SPF 30, so you can also pick it up. But I heard like the one with SPF 30 breaks people out or something like that, so that's why I decided to pick this one up, and I've been loving it. Honestly. But I'm going to try it out. And it comes in, this one is 3 ounces for $20, and this one is 2.5 ounces for $20. So let's give it a try. So I don't have anything on my face right now. I just take a shower, put on my hyaluronic acid and niacinamide from The Ordinary. So I don't have anything on my face. So I'm going to try this. This is how it comes, and it's just like moisturizer, like your everyday moisturizer. It doesn't really have a smell to it, and it's very moisturizing. So I'm going to try it on this side of my face. This Laura Posay moisturizer, like, I just love it. It's not that thick, like it like it's not thick and it's not lightweight. It's just like the consistency is so good and it's so moisturizing. So I will try this CeraVe moisturizer on this side of my face too. So this is what it looks like. Oh, I haven't even opened it. Okay. What? Oh. I don't know how to open this because let me figure this out. Okay. So what's going on? Okay. This is what this one looks like. And this one is a bit thick. Is a bit thicker than the Rara Posay. So it doesn't have any smell to it, and let's see. Oh, it's good. Like, wow. Like, can you guys see? Like, I was, wow. I was like a bit skeptical about picking this up, but like it really surprised me. Coupled with the fact that it has SPF 30, this is really good. Like, this is really good, but the thing is that on this side of my face it feels like heavier. You get, it feels heavier, but on this side of my face it feels like I don't have anything on it. Maybe that's due to the fact because it has SPF on it. And I think like if I pick up the one that also has the Laura Posay with SPF, I think they are both will be in the same consistency. So my thoughts on it is that they are both really good moisturizer. Yeah, they are both really good. You can pick this one up, and this one also comes with more products because it's 3 ounces, while this one is 2.5 ounces, and they are both in the same price range of $20, and they are both good moisturizer. So um you can't go wrong with neither products. They are really good, but my preference, I prefer the Laura Posay because it's lightweight. And what I really prefer it was this one, although it has SPF 30, but the SPF here are the chemical sunscreens. That's what we have here, like the all the chemical. Oh, it has zinc oxide. Seriously, this has 6.3 zinc oxide. You know, seeing this zinc oxide just really changed my mind about it because I'm not a big fan of chemical sunscreen. That was why when I was picking this one up, I didn't pick up the one with SPF because I use a physical sunscreen. But seeing that this has zinc oxide, and zinc oxide is mineral we see in physical sunscreens. It also has some minerals we see in chemical sunscreen too. So I'm confused right now. Like, I can't decide on both, but they are they are good sunscreens. So just pick them up. Just decide. And why this one is good, like, I don't know, guys. They are both, but I prefer this. Why? Because it also has the prebiotic thermal water, which makes, which keeps your face very moisturized and hydrated throughout the day. And I've not wear this one for a long time. Like, I haven't wear it like throughout the day, so I don't really know um if it will keep my face moisturized. But coming from CeraVe, I know it will be a very good moisturizer because I've been using other CeraVe products and they never fail. So guys, you can't go wrong with neither product. I'll keep using this. I'll keep using it, and I know it will work out. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching my video today. I'm so grateful. And if you haven't subscribed, if you haven't joined the family, what are you waiting for? I have good things coming your way every week. So please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to leave like and leave me a comment. It really helps me seeing your comments, asking me questions. Like, I will be like, man, some people are even interested in my videos. Like, it helps me to keep on going, seriously. So thank you guys so much for watching, and bye. See you guys.